Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Sony XG300 speaker. It's completely brand new, haven't opened it yet, so just opening it up wide, see what's in. Quite a big package, it weighs almost 4 kilos. Let's slide this out, which is easier said than done. I might have to do this actually, tip it up to get it out. Quite a unit. There you go, you might have heard that clump down with a thud. Let's just see what's in the box. So just some old packaging, some instructions and the like, a box of stuff which we'll open in a minute, and the speaker itself, which is quite hefty. Let's put that to the side. Now let's have a look at the speaker. Oh, this is a nice black colour. Just taking it out. As you can see, it's quite a unit. It's IP67, so you should be able to take to the beach, and it has a handle to help you carry it around. So that's that. What else have we got in the box? Let's just have a quick look. Taking it out, and there is there's a charger or an adapter, power adapter. For charging, USB-C at the end there, with both UK and European plug adapters. And that's it for the unboxing. We'll come back soon for the review of the unit.